Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Code with Figures. In this class, I will tell you attributes, selectors, and as in CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. It is very important video for you. Enjoy. Please like that video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So now let's start the video. First of all, here you can write HTML. And you can write attribute selector and then save, then refresh. It is coming like that. And you can write input, type should be text, and here you can write placeholder should be enter your name, save, refresh. It is coming like that. So I will go to the style.css, and now here we can write like. So what you can write? Here you can write first of all input and enter. And first of all here I will be write link shall be style.css, save. And here first of all here you can write like font family shall be Montserrat, comma sans serif, border should be 1 pixels, solid should be FF not red, and here I will be write border radius 50 pixels, save, refresh. It is coming like that. Here you can see it. So 50 pixels, save, 10 pixels, save, refresh. And I will padding should be 10 pixels, save, refresh. 5 pixels, save, refresh. Piece 20, and it is coming like that. 10 pixels, save, refresh. So 10 pixels is not 5 pixels. Save, refresh. 10, save. So it is good. And now here we can go here, enter, and here I will be write background colors. Background color will be yellow. Save, refresh. It is coming like that. Here you can see it. And here I will be write dot input, padding 400 pixels, dot input slash placeholder, align item, center, justify content, center, padding 400 pixels, save, refresh. So it is coming like that. Here you can see it. So save, then refresh. So here and here we can write width 80%, height 20 pixels, save, refresh. It is coming like that. So here we cannot write like that, and here I will be erase it. We can erase it, and here we can write font size will be 20 pixels, save, refresh. And now here full screen is, so it is coming like that. So height not, here we can erase it. Here we can write padding, then save, then refresh. It is coming like that. So padding should be that. So here we can go here and copy it, then erase it and paste it. And here we can write input should be hover, should be color should be black, and background color should be black, colors will be FF, and here we can write turn G, so it will be 0.5 seconds. Save, refresh, so here it is coming like that, and here you can write anything like Ryan Way, and then you can hover, it is coming like that. So in this class I will be telling you that attribute selector in CSS, and if you begin this class, enjoy, like that video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I will meet you in next class. So for today, goodbye.